Hello, welcome back to Little Nora's Tiny Kitchen. I'm Little Nora, and today I will be making chicken ginger shiitake mushroom. Okay, and these are my ingredients. This is 2 big quarter legs, and this is shiitake mushroom. 2 cans of 6-ounce shiitake mushroom. And ginger and garlic. Okay, and those are my seasoning. Okay, so let's start. Oh, by the way, this is organic ginger. And it's easy. I watch a lot of Rachel Ray, and this is one of her suggestions to peel the ginger this way because it's easier, it's quicker, and you don't get all the ginger just by doing this, and you're still gonna have a lot of ginger. So this is what I learned from her. I watch her all the time with my kids when they were small or when they're younger. So okay, I can smell the ginger already. The juice smells good. Okay. Turn down this. That was close. Okay. I'm going to cut the ginger. So this dish is really good, and it's quick and easy to make. It's really yellow. Look at that yellow. Nice color. Okay. I'm not going to use all of this, but okay, so I'm gonna put some oil here on my pan. Okay, a little bit of oil, 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna put the ginger. Oops. Okay. Okay. Just leave it there. So while the oil is getting hot, I'm going to finish my garlic. Okay, so that's 3, 4, and 5. Remember, garlic is good for you, so I'm putting more garlic. But if you don't like garlic, you can use the garlic powder. And if you don't have any garlic, that also works. Garlic powder and ginger powder. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use ginger powder, or there's also a ginger paste that you can use. So that's your other options. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think the oil is already hot. So now I'm going to put the ginger. Okay. Let me just wash my hands real quick. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the onion. I'm just going to use half of this because this is big. Change my mind. I like the bigger one. I will use the bigger one. So okay, so this is a really big onion, so this is like 1/4. I'm using 1/4, but if you have a medium size, you can use a medium size onion. And it's also good to have a lot of onion. It's good for you. And so before I didn't like onions, but now, well, I know that it's good for you, and garlic, so I try to implement that on my food or dish. But I just wanted thinly sliced so I can taste it. I can't taste it too much. But yeah, so I just want mine a little bit smaller. And if you guys wanted to leave it the first cut that I did, you can do that too. Okay, now I'm gonna go here to the stove and I burn the ginger. I burned it a little bit. That's okay. It's not burned, it's just brown. Okay. I'm going to put the onion last because the garlic. I'm going to put the garlic last. I'm going to turn it up a little bit to medium heat. Like for 2 minutes until it gets wilted, and I'm going to put the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, and I am going to, I think I need more ginger here. Yeah, I want to put some more ginger. Okay. Let's go this way. Let's put more ginger. Let's do this. I thought that was a lot already, but let's put more. I'm feeling a little bit more ginger here in my food. Okay. Okay, so this recipe, I haven't done this recipe in a long time, but this recipe is really good, and it's also quick and easy, so that's why I'm sharing this with you today. And also don't forget to smash that like button and give me a thumbs up if you like what you see today, and also subscribe so we can get more recipe. Okay. me check my onion real quick here. Okay. So it's getting there. I'm going to put my garlic. Okay. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. The garlic, the ginger, the onion. It smells good. Okay. I'm chopping some more ginger because this is really smells so good. So I want to put some more. And I don't know if you guys know that ginger is anti-inflammatory. So it's really good. I use it for my tea. When I drink tea, I drink ginger tea and I put some honey. And I try to put as much as I can on my food, ginger. So okay, I'm gonna put the rest of the ginger on my pan. Okay, that looks better. And okay. And then I am going to season my chicken in just a second. Okay, I'm going to be seasoning my chicken a little bit here. Okay. Okay. This is my chicken, my spices blue square box. And okay, just gonna flip this. I like dark meat. My chicken, I like dark meat because it's more juicy and moist. Okay, there you go. And let's put it in the pan. So it doesn't get burned, I'm putting my ginger, onion, and garlic on top. Okay, so it cooks quicker. Okay, let me go wash my hands. Put this away. Okay. Tidy here a little bit. Okay, so I am checking the chicken. And I don't know why I didn't turn on the light. So I can see better. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is looking good. This is looking good. It smells good. The ginger, the garlic, the onion. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch my tools. This is way better. There you go. And there it goes. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be mine. These two are mine, okay? I like this part. Oh, this smells good. Look at that browning of the chicken. Oh, sorry. I don't know. I'm holding this in my other hand. Put it here. I might be needing that later in a little bit. Okay. You see, it's a little bit over medium heat. I am going to cover it. You know what? I am going to put my special sauce now. Okay? We are going to put the special sauce. Okay. This is my hoisin. So I will put I am right-handed. I'm gonna try not to cover the camera here. So I am going to put less than a whole spatula, and then we're gonna taste it first, and then I'm gonna put some more later. I'm gonna try to put all my seasonings. So this is hoisin sauce. I'm putting hoisin sauce, so 1 spoon or 1 spatula of hoisin sauce, and then this is oyster sauce. Okay, so if you don't put too much of this, because this can get salty. So I am going to put half of this. This is kind of like this half. And then I'm going to mix it up. Okay. Before I'm going to put like 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. And this is, if you're wondering what brand, I use Squid brand. It doesn't smell so pungent, and it tastes a little bit sweet. I like this flavor or brand. I like this brand. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit and put it on medium heat. Okay, the fish sauce is gonna smell, but then afterwards, it's gonna lower down the smell, and it's gonna be more flavorful. And now I'm going to put the mushroom. This is shiitake mushroom in the can, 2 cans of shiitake mushroom. I was going to buy the portobello one, but it's more expensive. It's $2.50 for a small container, and it's fresh and you have to cut it. This one is already cooked, and I prefer shiitake mushroom with this flavor, with this dish. I always put shiitake mushroom. So, okay, there you go. Okay, this looks good. This is looking good. So I'm gonna simmer this, and I'm gonna try the juice of the mushroom to cook the chicken, and then it's gonna be saucy. We're gonna simmer it for 5 or 10 minutes, and you know what, 10 to 15 minutes, my bad, I take that back. So and then I'm going to cover it. Make sure all the mushroom is on. Getting the sauce. Okay, this smells good. Okay, I'm gonna cover it. So 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes, and that it's been shimmering. So I'm going to check it right now. And also, before I forget, the Tagalog today is going to be pagkain. Repeat after me. Pagkain. This means, it means food. Food. Pagkain. Okay? Got it? Good. And remember, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel so you can get more Lilinar's Tiny Kitchen food. Okay. This smells so delicious. Oh, look at that. The shiitake mushroom, the ginger, the onion, the garlic. And look at the sauce. I turn it down a little bit because it's kind of starting to overflow. But okay, let me do it for maybe 2 more minutes, and then I will try it and plate it. Okay, I left it for another 2 or 3 minutes, and you know what, I don't think I need to put more ginger, but this is the one. If you don't have any fresh ginger, you can put this ground ginger. This works the same, okay? And I'm going to plate it. I'm gonna go get some rice. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm excited. I haven't had this in a long time. Last time I made this, I don't know if I said it already, it's in 2010 or 11. And I am going to get my shiitake and my chicken. Get this one and some sauce and some ginger. There, that looks beautiful. Okay, look at that. Look at the sauce. It's thick and it's full of flavor. Okay, so you know what? I would like to try it first if the seasoning is good. It's perfect. Tastes good. It tastes good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it here. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. I want a little bit of mushroom and my chicken here so I can taste all the flavor. Cheers. It is delicious. It's delicious. I want some more mushroom. And the ginger is also good. The flavor is a little bit salty, a little bit sweet. And then the ginger, the garlic, you can taste it. It's really good. And the shiitake mushroom is my favorite out of all. So one last bite. Okay, I put a lot. I'll finish that later. So that is really good. If you guys want to try it, please leave me a comment how it turns out. And thank you for all the people that is subscribing on my channel. And please give me a thumbs up if you want to see more Lilleanor's Tiny Kitchen food. And also don't forget to subscribe and stay healthy. Ciao.